homemade chocolate ice cream, and it is almost illegally easy to make it.
And it's mandatory in the summer.
Absolutely. And actually we only need a couple of ingredients here. We start out with 300 milliliter of sweetened condensed milk into a pot. And that's what's going to give us the sweetness to our, because we're not using sweet chocolate, we're using, what do we call it, couverture?
It has to have like 53% of
Yeah, you want a high content of cocoa. Yeah. This I think was 55, something like that. Anyway,
yes, 55.
300 to 350 grams, depending how chocolatey you want it. This is 340-50 grams. And we start this up on medium-low heat, and then we just stir until everything is melted and nicely combined. And when everything is nice and melted and shiny like this, then it is ready to go. If it's a little bit too thick, you can add a little bit of milk, so because you want this consistency here. That's what you want. Switch that off, and then we move over to our orbital mixer. Gonna add 600 to 650 milliliter of heavy cream. Just like that. And then we are gonna whip that, but don't take it to really thick whipped cream. I'll show you. You want it to be sort of in the middle. And here we go. This is the consistency we are looking for. See, it's not fully thick like if you wanted whipped cream. It's a little bit on the thin side, and that's what you want here. I'm going to take a couple of spoons of this and put it into my chocolate. Let's say 3, like that. And then we're going to carefully fold this in. Don't stir it vigorously. You want to fold it in to the chocolate mixture. And when everything here is nice and combined, then we're going to pour all of this mixture onto the rest of the cream. And then for a little bit of extra goodness, we're going to give it a splash of dark rum Zacapa, because anyway, this is not enough for a drink for me anyway. Now we fold this like before, carefully, until everything is nice and combined. That will take a minute or two not to destroy the whipped cream. So fold it carefully until everything is uniform. And of course you could put this in a Pyrex or whatever and freeze it whole. But we're going to do something else. We're going to make little portion
of
ice.
Heaven.
Yeah, exactly. And to make them look good, I'm going to use my jam funnel because that fits perfectly here. And then I can pour in our liquid gold here, I wanted to call it.
Okay, don't fill it up a lot.
Okay.
So we can do some decorations on top.
Of course, something like that. Now they go in the freezer for tomorrow, so we will see you then for the taste test. There we have them. Beautiful little things. I love these little individual serving ramekins. It's perfect, you know, for any dessert you have. You serve this in front, strawberries, a bit of sprinkle on top. It's perfect. But now it's time, and now let me show you. Look how creamy that is.
Oof, oof.
Look at that. It's perfect ice cream. I mean, that
Come and taste it, all right? I'm
but
waiting 24 hours here of torture.
Trust me when I say, this is the perfect chocolate ice cream. It is so easy to make, and your guests, they will love you for the desserts. So just, I'm not saying give it a shot, I'm saying do this. Do it.